Hello. So I'm solving over here the IIT JAM Mathematics 2022 paper. So the question number 11 says that consider the open rectangle G is a two-dimensional real space S and T where the range of S and T is given. So both the ranges are between 0 and 1, and the map T, it belongs to this G in this particular real space, this 2D two-dimensional real space, and it is given by this mapping T of ST with this to value for S and T belongs to this G, this open rectangle, and you have to calculate the area of the image TG of the map T. So what will be the area? So this is a question from integral calculus. Okay. Okay. Now you have to solve this question. How to solve this? Since we have already this T of ST is given, so we may consider this value, this function, this mapping as we can write it as this in this way. Suppose x is equal to pi s 1 minus t by 2 and y equal to pi of 1 minus s by 2. Now from here we can get the value of s and t, so we can write it from here that 1 minus s is nothing but this 2y by pi, and s is 1 minus 2y by pi, and we just simply put the value of s over here in this in this particular, what is s value. If we put this, then x is equal to this, we just so half of pi s, we are putting the value of s over here, 1 minus 2y by pi into 1 minus t. Okay, so from here we can calculate the value of t. T is equal to 1 minus 2x by pi minus 2y. Okay, now we have this range s. The range of s is from so first we will do with this s particularly. So range of s is given from within from 0 and 1. Okay, so if we put the value of s over here, that 0 less than 1 minus 2y by pi less than equal to 1, we can also write it as 0 of this or in this way we can write this 1. If we just put minus 1, so what will happen? So we'll get in the 0 position, we will get the minus 1, minus 2y by pi and 0, and if we multiply by this, that minus, so it will be 1 greater than 2y by pi greater than 0. or we may write in this way that zero is less than y less than pi by 2. So this is the range of y. From this we got this. Now we have given the range of t is also given, that is also from 0 to 1. It's between 0 and 1. So if we similarly put the value of t over here, this 0 less than 1 minus 2x by pi minus 2y less than less than 1. So here what we are doing, we just putting minus 1 over here, and so here will be minus 2x by pi minus 2y less than 0. If we multiply by minus, so 1 greater than 2x by pi minus 2y greater than 0. Okay. So from here we can get that the value, the range of x. So the range of x can be written as 0 less than x less than pi minus 2y by 2. Okay, so this is x and this is y. So we have to find the area of this TG, the area of the image, this area of the image TG of the map. So we will put that in a, so find the area, you have to calculate the area. How to calculate the area? That will be a double integral dx dy. So we just write it over here this simple way, this double integral ds. So this can be written in this way, where we will write over this. So first we consider the x 0 to pi by pi minus 2y by 2 and 0 to pi by 2. This is the range of y. Okay. Now if we calculate this, so if we calculate this first in case of x, so first doing the integral of this dx with this range, so we will get 0 to pi by 2 pi minus 2y by 2 dy. And if we do the similarly the in case of this dy, the integral with respect to dy, we will find that so we have put the half over here, and it will be pi y minus y square 0 to pi by 2. And if we put the value of this y from this 0 to pi by 2, So ultimately we will get the calculation is pi square by 8. Okay, so in our case the answer is, the area will be pi square by 8, and the option is C. So question number 12. So here are two convergence series are given, the T and S. So T denote the sum of the convergence series, 1 minus half plus 1 by 3, and the S denote the sum of the convergence series, where 1 minus half minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 up to infinity. So it will be just summation is given from n to 1 to infinity a n, where the terms are given. So we have to find the which one of the following is true. Okay, so here two series have already been given, the T and S. So we can do one thing. So we can rewrite S over here in this way. So S can be written, so we can take the term in this way, 1 by 1 minus half plus of 1 minus 3 by 1 minus 6 plus 1 by 5 by minus 1 by 10, and we can this up to in this way. So you are taking this 1 minus half 1 minus 3 in this way, and we are just keeping the remaining term as it is taking minus common. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 in this way. Okay, now just do the simple calculation over here. So it can be written as S equal to half plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10. Okay, plus 1 by 10 and up to this, it's go in this way, and remaining it will remain the same. Now if we multiply both side by 2, this 2s is equal to, dividing both side by this, multiplying both side by 2, we can write it in this way. So it will be 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So we can write this as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. In this we can write it. Now after rearranging the same, this 2s, so 2s it can be written as in this way, that 1 minus half plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6, and it up to go to infinity. So from here you can see that yes, so from here the 2s, so you can see this series is similar to the convergence series of T. Okay, so this is the series all about. So this is the same. So you can see half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 5, 1 by 6. So we can write in this way that 2s is equal to t, okay, or t equal to 2s. Now, so in this case our option is C, and also s is not equal to 0. So you can see from here straightforward it is. So all over the term we will this term is half, this is a real number, so this will be a real number 1 by 6. So this all real numbers will be a positive, the summation of this real number, and it cannot be equal to 0. Since t cannot be equal to 0, so the s is also cannot be equal to 0. So s is not equal to 0. So in this case the option is C, t equal to 2s and s not equal to 0.